Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be talking about some items that I've been using religiously this year that have really helped with my hair regimen. So I'm just going to jump right into it. Before I do that, like if you see, I'm a little put together today. I want to go take some holiday photos. So this is kind of like my look for today. I don't look like this every day, but I did a little something to look a little bit decent today. So yeah, let's just jump into the first product. So the first thing I want to talk about is this scalp brush. So this scalp brush is something I pretty much use every wash day, and it's been working really great. My hair is really thick and sometimes it's hard to get in there and get your hands in there and work that product into your scalp. But this has been awesome in cleansing my hair and stimulating my scalp. It helps with circulation and all of that. So I've really just felt really good cleanse after using this. And the bristles on here are really soft, so it just really gives you a nice scalp massage. And my hair feels really clean after using it. So I've been using this a little bit more often, and I've noticed a huge difference in just the way my hair feels and the way my scalp feels. So this is definitely a good buy. I got this at Sally's Beauty Supply. I bought this for about $2 or $3, so they're not that expensive, and they do have ones that are different sizes. So yeah, this one just works pretty well for me. So this is something that I'm going to definitely continue using. Just every shampoo or just anytime I need a good scalp massage, because honestly, who doesn't like a good scalp massage? So definitely, if you don't have one of these, go ahead and purchase one because it's life-changing. So the next thing I want to talk about is the Eco Styler Gel. Okay, so it's Eco Styler Gel. There's nothing new about that. But I do want to say that this particular brand that I bought has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. And I found this to work really well in my hair, just keeping it moisturized and hydrated. My hair doesn't feel dry, it doesn't flake. And not saying that the other, Eco Styler gels have been doing that, because I've been using the ones that just have plain olive oil or plain shea butter. And those work really well, but I don't know if it's just the combination of these oils. It works really, really good in my hair. I've used this for like a twist out, and I've used this around my edges, and my hair just feels super moisturized every time I use it. I love the smell. It smells great. I got this on Amazon. I think it was about $5. And I wasn't really paying attention to the size of the bottle, so this is a really small bottle. So I will definitely be buying a bigger size and using this more for my twist outs, for my wash and goes, for all of that, because this just seems to work really well in my hair. If I really want like a good moisturizer for my edges, I kind of use this as well. So this is definitely a good buy, and definitely something I'm going to purchase more often. This particular combination is great. So the next thing I'm going to be talking about is this Got To Be styling glue. So the Got To Be spiking glue. So I use this mostly just around my edges. You can see here, it just keeps everything nice and laid. And this product has worked really well in doing that, because I've tried gels, I've tried other things, and my edges just don't cooperate. But this has worked really well in just kind of keeping it in place, and it works all day. I just kind of, spray some water on there, because it definitely works better with water. And I apply that on, I tie my hair down, and it's just, look at this. It's just really, it's been like this all day, like no flyaways, no nothing. And my hair doesn't feel like flaky. It is a little bit like dry on here, like not dry, but I would say like it is a little bit like hard. But you can wash it out pretty easily. I don't use this all the time, so you can see I just bought a really small bottle of this, and I just use this around my edges. It seems to work really well for that. When I use this product and I tied it down with just like a regular cloth hair tie, my hair kind of went with it, and it kind of just spiked my hair, which is what it's supposed to do. But definitely a satin or a silk, I can't even say that word, a satin or a silk scarf works better if you're using this product. So I definitely am going to keep using this product for my edges. If you have those days like me where you're just super lazy, you haven't done anything to your hair, it's been in a style for days or weeks even. There are times where I kind of left my hair in a high puff and I didn't want to be bothered with it. But then you finally take it down and you realize the mess that's in there. So I picked up this hair mask from SheaMoisture. It is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. So I shampoo and I condition my hair and I put this in there and I use it as a deep treatment, and I kind of put, I use it as a deep treatment. I put a hair cap over and I leave it in for about 30 minutes to an hour. When I wash the product out of my hair, I mean, my hair just feels so hydrated, so moisturized and soft. Like my curls just kind of like bounce back, and it's like nothing ever happened. So I've only used this a couple times. I definitely want to add this into like my hair routine and use it more often, at least once a month. Because let's be honest, I don't really do too much to my hair. So this definitely just helps to, you know, put back that moisture and that hydration into your hair for those times that it's feeling really dry. And also too, like being like it's winter and it's cold, depending on where you live, you need like lots of moisture back into your hair. So this was definitely a good purchase for me this year, and I'm going to definitely use this a lot more. Okay, the next thing is this Cantu Conditioning Creamy Hair Lotion. So I've been using the Cantu leave-in conditioner for my hair, and that also works for moisturizing and hydrating your hair. And I kind of stumbled upon this, not really intending on using it, but you know, I kind of ran out of the other leave-in conditioner and I was like, let me give this a try, and I went ahead and used it, and it's so hydrating. It's so thick, especially for my hair. Like just putting that on, my hair feels so soft and moisturized. And the thing that I do with this is I put it on my hair and I twist my hair, tie it at night, and the next day I kind of take it out and my hair is just moisturized and hydrated, and it also doubles up as a detangler. So, you know, if you don't have just a separate detangler that you use for your hair, you can use this for that as well. But I really like how this kind of sits on my hair and it coats it and it keeps it nice and soft and manageable. Because it's so thick, I don't have to use a lot of it on my hair, and it just keeps my hair super hydrated and moisturized. So this is something that I use, I would say, in between wash days. So this is definitely a must buy for any of you out there who haven't tried this or haven't used this yet. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the hair mister. Okay, it's just a regular spray bottle, but this is amazing. I love the way that it sprays. Like if you see, it's just like it's just a continuous spray. It's not like the other hair bottles where you kind of spray the water on your hair and it's like squirting the water on, and some parts are damp and some parts aren't. So this is just a continuous, even spray. Your hair is saturated just evenly throughout. So I bought this on Amazon for about $10, and I purchased another bottle of this and I use it for aloe vera and water combination or mixture, and I kind of just use this and spray it all over my hair. I don't have too much to say about this, but I really just like how it, you know, I really like how it saturates my hair and it distributes the water throughout. Okay, so the last thing I want to talk about is this travel steam bag, I guess. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it comes in a little bag like this. And so pretty much this is kind of a good replacement if you don't have a hooded dryer, because that can take up a lot of space. So I really like this because it's so compact and you can kind of take this with you wherever you go, especially now with the holidays coming up. This kind of just fits into your suitcase and you can take it wherever you go. So I like this because if you have a portable hair dryer, you can kind of just attach this on, and I'll show you. You kind of attach this on here. The hair dryer, you know, goes into here, and there's this hooded part over here that goes over your head, and it just kind of blows the hot air. So if you know, you're out of town or something and you want to do a style or a twist out or whatever, or even just deep conditioning your hair, you can put this on and it works really great. I think it works just as well as, you know, sitting under a hooded dryer. The only downside for me with this is that, you know, because everything is kind of like in there, like your head is in here, like this, my ears get really hot, so that's the only downside to this. Yeah, this was definitely a good purchase for me, and this also was on Amazon. I got this for about $20, and yeah, this was definitely a good buy for me. So yeah, that was pretty much it. That's all the products I wanted to share with you guys today. So this probably will be my last video of 2019, and I will see you all in 2020. Have a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.